Welcome to this short video on how to use the XBuilder and its functions. Make your way to the left side of the platform where you will find the builder. XBuilder allows you to build and automate trading strategies without the need to code. Firstly, on the left side of XBuilder are the blocks and indicators available to you to build with. These include entry blocks that will open positions based on your rules, order management blocks, which can be used to manage open positions and modify trailing stops. Date and time blocks help you specify which day of the week and which time of the day you would like your system to trade. Here is our list of the most popular indicators available for you to build with, which are sorted in alphabetical order. If you would like to use RSI, you can find this under R, or moving averages under M. If you have an indicator that is not in this list, you can build with the custom indicator block, which will help to reference the indicator inside MT4 or MT5. Next is the values blocks, which help you with different calculations you are working on. Logic blocks help you build the foundation of your system, with the if block being the most common block in the builder. It is used to check if a condition, a rule, or an event is true. Text blocks allow you to create alerts, comments, or print messages when certain criteria are met. Variables allow you to create variables that you can use to store data and calculations, which you can refer back to in your build. The Functions tab makes it easy to build smaller functions inside your big builds. If you have completed the systems building program, you will have access to Prebuilt Models, which you can use right away. You can find more information on these blocks and functions inside the Builder knowledge base that has many tips and tricks on how to build models using XBuilder. For example, if you would like to learn more information about the bar block, you can find the complete instructions and a video demonstration showing you everything you need to know. Next to the yellow knowledge base is Push to Tester. This allows you to push your models straight to XTester and test your systems right here on TradeViewX. Push to X Manager allows your models to trade and be managed within the TradeViewX cloud. No more timely setting up platforms on VPS servers. Now you have everything at the click of a button within the one platform. User Algorithms is a folder to store all the models you have built. Here you can create new folders to organize your models to your liking. Here in the Templates tab, you can find the pre-made templates for any purchases you have made, like the Algo Conference models and the My First Algo Pack model. By clicking on this, you can access the pre-built models instantly. Here you can see the code you have built. Select your preferred platform MT4 or MT5. Download your algorithms. Duplicate this algorithm to make a new version. Download the TVI libraries. And ask for help from our support team with the models you are building. Watch as we build a simple model that will take a buy trade if the day of the week is Monday. If you have any further questions, you can contact our support team or sales traders to get further guidance about TradeViewX. Thank you for choosing TradeViewX.